Hello, good morning friends. Shri MS Golwalkar Guruji Primary School, MSB 30, Nawapara, Bhavnagar. Myself, your teacher Nitaba Arjun Desi Gohil, is going to teach you English Standard 8, and now it's turn of Unit 3. What were you doing? Okay, look at this picture. Friends, observe this picture very well. I know that you recognize this picture. You know this thing, what is given in this picture. Okay, now there are some questions. Answer me. What do you see in this picture? Yeah, you know its name, but try to remember what is it called in English. Yes, I will show you one more picture of this thing. Yes, okay, these are some rides, and now you can recall that what is the name of this ride. Okay, so do you remember? Okay, I think most of you remember, but let me tell you, this is a giant wheel. Most of you enjoy this ride. This is found in where it is found. Second question is, where is it found? Yes, where is it found? Yeah, you will tell me that yes, ma'am, when we go in fair during festivals like Janmashtami or Christmas or some other festival or summer vacation, we we visit many fairs, and there are many rides. One of it is this giant wheel. It is so big, but children like you do not afraid of it, are not afraid of it, and enjoy this ride. I know. Okay, so it is found in a fair. Yes. Now, our another question 3 is, have you ever taken a ride in it? Yes, we discussed it already. We have already discussed it. That in whenever you visit the fair, you always many of you have taken the ride in it. I remember that after some festival, when you come back in the school, you first enthusiastically describe your activities in fair. That I visited fair, I did this, I shot balloons, I ate ice cream, or I purchased some toys, or I played some games, or there were this ride, and I sat in this. And I know that many of you enjoy this ride. Okay, so you have to write on your own this answer of this question. Okay, if you have not taken ride in it, tell me one secret of it. That myself, your teacher, is afraid of this ride. You know, I am very much afraid of height, and this ride is, this giant wheel is very huge, very tall, and when we go up on the top of this ride, we feel very much afraid, and I cannot take ride in it. I have never taken a ride in it. It is the secret of my life. And now you have to write your own experience. If you have taken it, a ride in it, you have to write yes, I have taken many times. I have taken ride in it. And if you have not like me, then you have to write no, I have never taken a ride in it. Okay? Now question 4. Tell your class about your experience riding on it. Now you have to tell your class that what did you experience during this ride? When you sit in this ride in the giant wheel, and what did you feel? Yes, you can imagine, you can remember that whenever when you sat in this ride, and when this you went up the on the top, what did you see and what you felt. Okay, and when this ride comes down slowly, and when you come down, what you felt, you have to describe everything. But I know it is tough for you to describe fully in English. You can ask me or call me anytime that what we call this word in English. I want to say this feeling mine, and how can we translate, and what is the proper word for this. I will surely guide you. And if you describe it in English, but you can use some words Gujarati. Okay, there is not a fixed strict rule for you that you have to not speak or write anything in or Gujarati. Okay, so try and describe your feeling, your experience during this ride. Okay, so this is your homework. So start now, write or speak. If you want to speak, you speak this question, answer of these questions, and then record it and send me. Okay, bye.